This video will take you through how to use our bulk contract import function. This allows users to import multiple contracts across multiple projects at once. Start by configuring your contracts in Excel, as per the spreadsheet shown. Columns in green are required, columns in yellow are optional, and the columns in orange are only required if you want to bulk import contract deliverables or variations afterwards. Once your data is configured correctly, open UniPhi and navigate to the Contracts module. Ensure that All Projects is selected. Press the Upload icon and select Contracts from this drop-down list. Open Excel and copy your data, including the heading row. Go back to UniPhi and paste into the box. You will now need to map the columns using the drop-down lists. Press the Validate icon to check for any errors. Any invalid cells will be highlighted in red. Hover your cursor over the red cell to find out why it is invalid. Then you can go back into Excel and fix it. When you have made any necessary changes, copy your data again. Press the arrow icon to clear the box. Then paste your data again and press Validate. If there are no errors, press the Save icon to finalize the import. Press the X icon to exit the import page. Now you can use the same function to import contract deliverables and variations. This is an example of how contract deliverables will need to be configured in Excel for successful import. Then you can repeat the import process, except ensure that you have contract deliverables selected from the drop-down list. When you are done, you can open your project and view your new contracts. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.